The world of cryptocurrency is witnessing a revolution, and leading the charge in Southeast Asia is Velo, a digital currency positioned to potentially outshine XRP and carve out a new role as the settlement network for the BRICS financial system.
Position one, you want to go next? So we're actually working on 2 to 3 live use case. We are actually the only company in Thailand that got sandboxed by Thai Central Bank.
In a time when global financial structures are being reevaluated, Velo's unique approach to decentralized finance has the potential to not only disrupt the current landscape, but also empower economies across the BRICS nations. From Brazil to Russia, from China to South Africa, the BRICS nations are increasingly seeking alternatives to traditional dollar-dominated systems, and Velo may just be the currency to meet that demand.
Russian authorities are keen to promote the idea of a unified BRICS financial system to rival the dominant US dollar.
To understand the significance of Velo, we need to place it in the context of an already dynamic cryptocurrency market. For years, XRP, created by Ripple Labs, has been the established choice for cross-border payments. Known for its low fees and fast transaction times, XRP has served the needs of financial institutions seeking efficient solutions for international transfers. However, regulatory challenges, particularly in the United States, have created uncertainty around XRP's future, forcing investors and institutions to look for other options.
I'm pleased to announce that HDFC Bank, largest private sector bank in India, has joined Ripplenet. They will be a key receiving partner into India, and our team is incredibly excited to work with them.
That's where Velo steps in, promising a powerful alternative designed to meet the unique financial needs of Southeast Asia and potentially the BRICS economies as well. Velo's ecosystem is expanding in more practical and user-friendly ways too. In Southeast Asia, convenience meets innovation with the introduction of Orbit Pay, a groundbreaking payment solution that's set to be available at every 7-Eleven convenience store across the region. This addition serves as a bridge for crypto users, making it possible to utilize Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other popular digital assets for everyday purchases. By swapping these assets into Velo through Orbit Pay, users can make seamless transactions, just like they would with Apple Pay. Orbit Pay simplifies the process, removing barriers for those who want to spend their crypto in real-world scenarios without complex conversions. This development is a game changer, allowing people to easily access the power of their digital assets in physical stores. For consumers, this integration enhances the usability of crypto, turning it into a practical payment option for groceries, daily essentials, and beyond.
What happened on Bitcoin? The same structure, the same psychology. The only difference is the percentage gain on Velo is bigger than investing in Bitcoin back in 2016 or 2015. Your potential for profit is a lot bigger.
And for Velo, it further cements its role as the digital backbone for accessible and convenient financial solutions across the region. In an environment where traditional banking systems may not reach everyone, Orbit Pay also plays a role in expanding financial inclusion. It provides an easy entry point for users who are new to crypto, making it less intimidating and more adaptable to everyday life. With Orbit Pay, Velo's impact reaches even further.
Personally, it's Orbit, the Web3 payment app that can be basically available to everyone to get anyone involved into payments and into crypto. So yeah, a lot has happened in
creating a smooth, secure payment experience for both crypto enthusiasts and newcomers, adding yet another layer of value to the Velo network's ever-growing influence. One of Velo's significant advantages is its proactive approach to establishing partnerships with local banks and financial institutions. These partnerships help build trust in a region where skepticism about financial products is common. By aligning with established institutions, Velo strengthens its credibility and ensures regulatory compliance, a key factor for sustainable growth. Through these collaborations, Velo not only gains traction in Southeast Asia, but also positions itself as a more reliable and compliant cryptocurrency than others on the market. For users unfamiliar with cryptocurrencies, Velo offers a bridge between traditional banking and the new world of digital assets. The BRICS Alliance, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, held its 2024 summit with a focus on economic independence from Western financial systems, especially the US dollar. This year, BRICS members discussed creating alternative networks for cross-border payments using digital and decentralized finance DeFi as part of their strategy. Given Velo's platform for borderless digital payments and remittances, it could be an ideal partner or model for BRICS members looking to bypass traditional dollar-based networks. Velo's ability to facilitate stablecoin-backed transactions could provide an accessible, compliant solution that allows BRICS countries to trade within a decentralized system without relying on the dollar. Southeast Asia is emerging as a hotbed for central bank digital currency, CBDC initiatives. For example, China is advancing its digital yuan for domestic use and international payments, while Thailand, Malaysia, and the Philippines have also initiated or are exploring CBDCs. These nations see CBDCs as tools to streamline payments, improve financial inclusion, and secure national currency stability. Velo could act as a bridge between these national CBDCs and the broader decentralized finance DeFi ecosystem, which allows for seamless international transactions.
All the bank into any bank account in Thailand. So that could be announced in a few months, right? So that's a live use case of how we use stablecoin to replace SWIFT.
With Velo's stablecoin system, it could provide a secure, stable, and regulatory compliant way for users to exchange CBDCs across borders, integrating local digital currencies into a cohesive, cross-border payment network. Trust and accessibility are critical in emerging markets where decentralized finance is still relatively new. Recently, Velo has expanded partnerships with regional financial institutions, micro-lending services, and local payment providers across Southeast Asia. These partnerships aim to build trust among local users, enhance liquidity, and integrate Velo into everyday financial services.
Considering the fact that SCB10X is co-owned by Siam Commercial Bank and CP Group, which we know owns the majority of Velo and Lightnet.
These partnerships not only increase Velo's credibility, but also embed its technology into existing financial structures, making it easier for individuals and businesses to adopt digital finance. Velo's association with well-known institutions can help reduce skepticism toward DeFi, driving adoption among Southeast Asia's sizable unbanked population. Furthermore, it positions Velo as a viable network for BRICS or regional governments interested in a trusted DeFi solution for remittances or trade. AI's application in blockchain technology has been gaining traction for improving the efficiency and security of transactions, especially in verifying and monitoring large-scale cross-border transactions. At recent economic conferences, BRICS nations, particularly China and Russia, have explored ways to enhance their blockchain systems through AI-driven tools. Velo's integration with AI. Velo is reportedly looking into AI-driven solutions that could automate complex tasks, such as transaction verification, fraud detection, and dynamic risk assessment. By implementing AI, Velo could reduce the transaction costs and processing times that often hinder international finance. This move aligns with BRICS' vision of a technologically advanced, secure financial ecosystem.
The total GDP of the BRICS Association is more than $60 trillion, and the total share in the global gross product confidently exceeds that of the so-called G7 countries and continues to grow.
Positioning Velo as an ideal model or partner for these governments as they modernize and secure their financial infrastructures. An essential element of Velo's approach is its commitment to regulatory compliance. Unlike Ripple, which has faced legal battles in the United States, Velo has strategically aligned itself with local regulations in Southeast Asia, positioning itself as a safer choice for users and investors alike. This focus on regulatory collaboration not only builds confidence in Velo's platform, but also signals to financial institutions that Velo is committed to sustainable and lawful growth. As a result, Velo offers an attractive alternative for investors and users looking for a reliable solution in the ever-volatile world of cryptocurrency. Velo's technological infrastructure further sets it apart as a forward-thinking solution in the cryptocurrency landscape. The platform's design prioritizes scalability, enabling it to handle large transaction volumes, a critical feature for a region with high remittance needs. Through its partnership with Lightnet, a fintech company focused on cross-border payments,
Lightnet has operations in Thailand Indonesia and the Philippines and concentrates on Southeast Asia. And with Indonesia being the most aggressive country in Southeast Asia,
Velo has access to a vast network of financial institutions across Southeast Asia. This collaboration is instrumental in expanding Velo's reach and accessibility, allowing it to serve a diverse audience that may be unfamiliar with blockchain technology. One of the most compelling aspects of Velo's vision is its commitment to financial inclusion. Southeast Asia is home to millions of unbanked or underbanked individuals who lack access to essential financial services. Traditional banking structures often require extensive documentation and fees, limiting access for those without formal financial history. Velo's decentralized nature removes these barriers, giving individuals a means to send, receive, and store value without needing a traditional bank account. In a region where smartphone adoption is high, Velo's platform enables financial access for all, potentially transforming lives and fostering regional economic growth. As Velo gains traction, it reflects a broader shift in the global financial landscape, a move toward decentralized, regionally focused digital currencies that challenge the traditional financial status quo. By offering a practical solution for cross-border transactions and financial inclusion, Velo demonstrates the potential for cryptocurrencies to adapt and serve specific regional needs. In Southeast Asia, Velo's focus on user empowerment and stability resonates with individuals and businesses alike, providing a viable alternative to conventional financial solutions that may be costly or inefficient. The BRICS nations, representing some of the world's fastest-growing economies, are also increasingly invested in finding alternatives to US-centric financial systems. As these nations explore options for a BRICS-centric financial network, Velo's decentralized infrastructure emerges as a potential solution. A settlement network powered by Velo could facilitate efficient, low-cost transactions among member nations, supporting trade and investment without relying on traditional banking systems. This integration would not only enhance the economic cooperation among BRICS nations, but also set the stage for a new era of financial independence and innovation. Velo's dual token model is a crucial component of its success. By using Velo tokens as collateral, users can issue digital credits pegged to fiat currencies, creating a stable and predictable transaction environment. This feature is particularly attractive for businesses and individuals engaging in international trade, as it reduces the volatility commonly associated with cryptocurrencies.
Bear market territory on a lot of these digital assets. What happens? Well, they crash. Somewhere in the neighborhood of 80 to 90 to 95%. Well, Velo dropped all the way down from 229, under 1 penny. Yet, guys, it has just expanded its ecosystem.
In an uncertain global economy, Velo's approach offers a sense of security that appeals to both seasoned investors and newcomers to the digital asset space. In addition to its practical benefits, Velo's compliance-oriented approach sets it apart from other cryptocurrencies. By working closely with regulators, Velo ensures that its platform adheres to local laws, positioning it as a trustworthy and secure option for users and institutions. This regulatory alignment stands in stark contrast to XRP's ongoing legal issues in the United States, offering Velo a competitive advantage in terms of reliability and stability. The technological edge that Velo brings is critical. It's built on blockchain technology designed to support high transaction speeds and low costs, both essential for handling the large volumes typical in remittances and international trade. Unlike traditional systems where intermediaries often increase costs and processing times, Velo's blockchain-based solution ensures that transactions are processed in real time with minimal fees. This functionality is attractive to governments and businesses alike, as it streamlines the movement of funds while maintaining transparency and security. At a time when financial regulations are increasingly focused on compliance and transparency, Velo's alignment with regulatory frameworks across Southeast Asia sets it apart from other cryptocurrencies that may struggle to gain institutional trust. Velo's model shows how decentralized finance can evolve to fit within regulatory guidelines, making it a reliable choice for users concerned about legality and security. For businesses and financial institutions across the BRICS network, Velo offers an effective solution that meets regulatory demands while providing the speed and cost efficiency of blockchain-based transactions. The journey of Velo also demonstrates the potential for blockchain-based solutions to drive financial empowerment and inclusion across entire regions. In Southeast Asia, where financial services are often centralized in urban centers, Velo's decentralized network makes it easier for people in rural areas to access essential financial services. For individuals who previously relied on cash-based systems with limited options for savings and investment, Velo provides a safe digital alternative that doesn't require a bank account or extensive documentation. By extending financial services to underserved communities, Velo is not only creating new opportunities but also strengthening local economies, which benefits the region as a whole. The appeal of Velo extends to its adaptability, allowing it to serve various functions within both regional and global financial systems. For instance, Velo's network could eventually support BRICS-based trade corridors, facilitating cross-border commerce with the efficiency and transparency blockchain provides.
The dollar system, it became the platform that offers some alternative ways of carrying out economic and financial transactions. Russia proposes to use some kind of new currency, which could allow national currencies to be converted into a new unit of payment.
Additionally, Velo's scalable infrastructure could support microloans and decentralized finance DeFi solutions, empowering small businesses and entrepreneurs in emerging economies. Through its versatility and commitment to compliance, Velo is setting itself up as a digital asset that can meet the diverse needs of both individuals and institutions. One of the most exciting aspects of Velo's future is its potential to inspire similar projects worldwide. The success of a decentralized financial network in Southeast Asia could encourage other regions to explore blockchain solutions tailored to local needs. Velo's model shows how cryptocurrency can be adapted to meet specific economic demands, such as remittances, trade, and financial inclusion. This adaptability is crucial in a global economy that increasingly values solutions that can bridge the gap between centralized and decentralized systems. As more regions recognize the benefits of localized, blockchain-based solutions, Velo's approach may become a blueprint for a new generation of digital currencies worldwide. As Velo continues to grow, it faces the same challenges that other innovative financial technologies encounter: scalability, regulatory adaptation, and public trust. However, Velo's focus on compliance and local partnerships sets it apart as a digital currency prepared for the complex regulatory landscape of the BRICS and Southeast Asian regions. This approach not only strengthens Velo's position, but also provides a model for other cryptocurrencies seeking to establish themselves in regulated environments. By prioritizing compliance and strategic partnerships, Velo demonstrates how a cryptocurrency can adapt to serve real-world needs without compromising on security or stability. Ultimately, Velo's story is one of a bold vision for financial inclusion, economic independence, and technological innovation. Its potential to surpass XRP as a leading settlement network for the BRICS nations reflects a new phase in the digital currency revolution, one that prioritizes utility and sustainability over speculation. As the world watches the BRICS countries explore new financial structures, Velo's role could prove to be instrumental, offering a decentralized, compliant, and scalable solution for a rapidly changing global economy.
President Tayyip Erdogan is also expected to attend. Turkey has submitted a formal application to join BRICS, and with the Middle East settlement on the summit's agenda, Palestinian President Mahmoud Abbas was also invited to Kazan.
The rise of Velo isn't just a story about cryptocurrency. It's a testament to the power of technology to reshape economic landscapes, empower individuals, and drive global financial transformation. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Velo's rise and the future of digital finance, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our latest insights on cryptocurrency trends, emerging technologies, and the financial shifts shaping our world. Join our community and let's navigate the future of finance together.